From super memory to advanced problem-solving skills, here are 5 of the smartest animals and their clever tricks. Number 5. A nose for knowledge. When it comes to intelligence, size matters. With a brain that weighs about 17 ounces, or half a pound, the California sea otter is the smartest animal in the sea. Dolphins may be cuter, but these furry little mammals can use sophisticated tools to crack open the toughest shells and get to the delicious meat inside. Their cleverness doesn't stop there. Sea otters also know how to use rocks as anvils to smash open shellfish. They'll select a rock based on its weight and size, and then use it to crack open the shells with precision. That's right, they're basically little tool-wielding engineers. And just like us humans, sea otters are also known to use tools for other tasks too. They have been observed using kelp as a fishing net to catch fish, and even fashioning spears out of kelp stalks to hunt for their favorite prey. But if they drop their tools, which they sometimes do, they'll quickly return to retrieve them. In fact, scientists have discovered that sea otters have excellent long-term memories, remembering where they've stashed their tools for up to 23 days. That's a very long time in otter years. Number 4. The Great Escape Artist. Cows may seem like slow, dim-witted animals that are just interested in grass and looking cute, but don't be fooled. These large mammals are actually capable of some pretty impressive feats of intelligence. For example, cows are really good at escaping. If they want something, they'll figure out how to get it. In one case, a cow escaped from its pen and then waited patiently for its owner to open the gate to the next enclosure so it could escape again. Once it got to the main road, it opened the gate to a truck and drove itself to the nearest field. Cows can also be great at solving problems. In one experiment, researchers found that cows were able to figure out how to open a new type of automatic door after just a few hours of observation. That's faster than some primates learn. And when cows want to play, they can be pretty clever about it, too. In one study, researchers found that cows would push a large ball towards their enclosure so they could kick it around inside. They even developed a hierarchy of dominance when it came to kicking the ball. The bigger cows would push the ball towards the smaller cows so they could enjoy a good kick. It's like they were playing a game of keep away, but with balls. Number 3. Shall we play a game? If you ever come across a blue crab, don't be fooled by its beautiful shell. These crabs are actually super smart and they know how to use their intelligence to fool their predators. Blue crabs are one of the most widely distributed crab species in the world, found along both the Atlantic and Pacific coasts of the Americas, as well as in the Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean. And their cunning ways have made them a popular target for humans to catch and eat. But blue crabs are not just delicious, they're also surprisingly tricky. One study found that blue crabs are able to use simple tools to escape from their predators. In one experiment, researchers found that blue crabs would use coconut shells as a shield to protect themselves from attacks by a trained predator fish. The crabs would carry the coconut shells around with them wherever they went, even though they were heavy and difficult to move. This shows that blue crabs are not only intelligent enough to understand that a coconut shell can protect them, but they're also clever enough to plan ahead and gather the necessary tools to stay safe. Number 2. Monkey see, monkey do. Capuchin monkeys are known for their intelligence and problem-solving skills. In fact, they're considered to be one of the smartest animals in the world. These monkeys are highly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of environments. They're also very social animals and live in groups of up to 40 individuals. But what makes capuchin monkeys stand out is their ability to use tools. They have been observed using sticks to extract termites from mounds, and even fashioning spears to hunt for fish. Capuchin monkeys are also known for their ability to recognize themselves in the mirror, which is a sign of high intelligence. However, their intelligence isn't limited to the natural world. Capuchin monkeys are also very savvy when it comes to interacting with humans. They're quick learners and can be taught to perform a variety of tasks, such as fetching objects and solving puzzles. They're also very curious animals and will often investigate new objects and situations. Number 1. Passing the test. You might think that being smarter than a pig is pretty easy, but don't be so sure. Pigs are actually one of the smartest animals around, and they are known for their ability to learn and solve problems. That is why it is fitting that they are often used in intelligence tests designed to measure how quickly an animal can learn a new task. Pigs are so smart that they can even pass the mirror test, which is a test of self-awareness that only the smartest animals can pass. And they're not just smart in general, they are also really good at specific things like remembering where food is hidden and figuring out how to get to a reward. But pigs aren't just smart. They're also very social animals, and they're capable of experiencing a wide range of emotions. So the next time you think you're smarter than a pig, remember that these little porkers are actually pretty smart themselves. Did any of these animals surprise you? Let us know your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun animal facts. Thanks for watching.